Hello guys, Rammstein simply sound better.
Ich will. Ich will. Ich will.
Firstly, it has symmetric volume frequencies around 0. For instance, look at another album of French group, Les Apprentices. It has no clear line or distinction between good vocal and instruments grinding against each other.
Parce que je suis con.
Regarding another album, can you see the clear difference? It has many instruments not coherent enough and not sounding good.
Parce que je suis con comme un balai, j'ai troqué. Ich will.
Above you can see the rhythmics of B note of Rammstein. It has many coherent sequentials together, binding each other, but below you see there is another album which is clearly lacking the notes.
Dans les murs, j'ai rien qu'une chaussure. Quand mes bas sont sales, j'ai lave dans la friture.
Also lacks the symmetrics of frequencies around 0. Secondly, his volume of voice is more pronounced than the frequencies of the instruments they play.
Ich will jeden Herzschlag.
Thanks a lot guys, please subscribe, like or share. It is really
Wir wollen, dass ihr uns
or any other. I really adore this music.